Once again, there is a big controversy on social media, and this time it's about Bollywood's legendary actor Amitabh Bachchan. It all started when he posted a strange tweet during a time when the whole country was in pain. People on the internet didn't like it at all. They're asking why did he say that now and why didn't he speak about the tragedy. So let's understand the full story that what has happened actually. On April 22nd, a very sad terrorist attack happened in the Pahalgam area of Jammu and Kashmir. A bus carrying pilgrims was attacked, 28 people died and more than 20 were seriously injured. The entire country felt shocked and heartbroken. Many Bollywood stars shared their feelings about this painful event. Akshay Kumar tweeted sending prayers for the people who died. Sonu Sood said enough is enough, clearly angry about the violence. Other celebrities like Sanjay Dutt, Raveena Tandon, Ayushmann Khurrana, and singer Ankit Tiwari also posted messages showing sadness and support. But at the same time, Amitabh Bachchan posted just one tweet and it said T5356. That's it. No words, no messages, no prayers. Usually he tweets like this to mark the number of his daily post, but this time it didn't feel right. Many people got upset. One person asked, "कश्मीर में जो हुआ उस पर एक post नहीं." Another said, "Silence says a lot, Amit ji." And after that, many people started trolling him, making fun, getting angry, and saying that he should have said something meaningful. This is not the first time something like this has happened. Back in 2020, during the JNU violence, he posted only a folded hands emoji. People felt that was not enough. Then, when the Kashmir Files movie was released, he posted a confusing line. "We know now what we never knew then." That tweet also got people talking. Now, look, everyone has the right to speak or stay quiet. Some stars don't want to get into public issues, but when someone as big as Amitabh Bachchan says nothing, people notice. He is a respected voice, so fans expect him to say something meaningful when the country is going through a tough time. Even just one line would have shown support, but when that's missing, it hurts people who look up to him. So, this fight on social media is not just about one tweet, it's about what we expect from our celebrities during hard time. At least something meaningful. So, should they speak up or it's okay if they stay silent? Now, what do you think? Should Amitabh Bachchan have written something meaningful about the Pahalgam attack, or is it fine that he didn't? Tell us in the comment section and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.